Hello and welcome to BoloForms Signature. Today, in this video, we will learn about how to use tables and custom variable in PDF template. Let's get started. To use table feature, first we will open our dashboard, go to documents, then PDF templates. Here, we will create a new PDF template, fill in the details and confirm. As you can see here, the table feature, we'll just select it, drag it to the desired location and add the variables as we want. We can add more rows and columns. Since we want this template to be saved in such a format that it's easy to edit afterwards and makes our work more convenient, what we can do is use this custom variable feature. For example, we will add just a custom variable that is quantity. So here, after going in this section, we can actually add the custom variable. Like for example, for quantity, I have selected 10 as a default value. So if someone doesn't enter any value in this position, 10 will be set automatically. Select description. We have not set any default value here, and we'll just write this. So you can change this while editing the template and sending to different customer for different value. It will make your work more easy and handy since you don't have to make the PDFs from scratch and rewrite the information again and again. It will just automatically save and make your work more convenient. Once your table is ready with all the variables and it's set as a template, which will eventually gonna save you a lot of time, we will just add the signature at the end and save it. Here we will write the name of the person whom we want to send, their email address, and here we can change the description as we said, like it's like item 1 for this. We'll just fill the detail, select the email address and send. This is how the person will receive. We'll click on sign now. And see, here is our table and we just need to add a sign and finish. Done. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.